Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What a fun, interesting background. I still cannot get over the fact that all of my backgrounds in my vlogs now are going to be pretty unfamiliar and still pretty new. For those of you who missed the last vlog, Sean and I moved in together and we are now in our new apartment. We moved in 2 weekends ago, so over Labor Day long weekend, so the very beginning of September. And we have been living in our new place now for about 2 weeks and it has come together so well. I am loving our new place so much. As I'm talking, I'm trying to put on my Apple Watch. Today's date is Tuesday, September 10th. I wanted to start vlogging a little bit, a couple of days in my life. Today's actually going to be a pretty fun day because tonight, Sean and I are hosting the presidential debate. We're going to be having some friends come over at around 6 p.m. to watch the debate. It'll be the first time that a lot of our friends see our new place, but we're going to be having pizza, wings, drinks, snacks, and it'll just be fun. And it's like our first time hosting at our new apartment. So I'm really excited for that. It's currently 11:30 a.m. and I'm going to head to lab right now. I just finished having lunch. I had a little bit of an earlier lunch today because I had an early breakfast and I just like need to get my day going and I need to leave the house. I moved to a different location because the lighting here is a little bit better, but we have a little bit of a busy day today. We have a couple of errands I need to run. Number one, I have a trash bag of clothes that I need to bring to Goodwill. There's a Goodwill pretty close to my lab where I work, so that's perfect. So I'll drop off clothes at Goodwill. Then I need to go to lab, work there for a couple of hours. I want to work out at the gym in my lab as well. Then come home, clean the apartment, and prepare for tonight's party. But happy Tuesday. It's already been a pretty good morning so far, and let's get the rest of our day going. In normal Michelle fashion, I am late for my own party. People are supposed to be coming over literally so soon and we are still like prepping and getting ready.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my house. It's so cute. I'll give you a little tour. This is my room. Isn't she adorable?
Wait, Jen, you need to be it.
Look at this. Oh, so cute. Oh, the made bed. Love. Amazing. I love the plants and the necklaces. It is so cute. All right, time for a little house tour. Here's Michelle. She came to visit me today. Look at our living room. It is so cute. There's a TV, there are plants, and it's time to feast. Here are our friends, Emily, Stasio, Adush, all eating pizzas. Yum, yum, yum. Munch, munch, munch. From Domino's, and all the pumpkin themed snacks.
We might need to share dipping sauces.
Do you have any lovebirds? We're trying to find the right condiments to use. And we're about to start the debate soon. Pizzas debate. Pizzas debate. What's Michelle up to?
Hi.
Michelle, what are you up to?
Some of that after you.
Yeah.
Hey, pickleball world champ.
Huh?
What are you up to?
Just existing, having a good time.
Are you excited for the debate?
I'm really excited.
Look at this corner. This corner reminds me of Waring so much.
Oh my god.
This kitchen also reminds me of Waring. It's scary, the resemblance. Oh, and these seltzers are so fun. Got a little watermelon. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna cut a watermelon. First you do like chop chop chop, and then you have to chop chop chop. Wow.
Jen's got zoomies.
Yum. Does that bring back any memories? There's Catherine. She's getting some pizza. Alright, it's time for us to eat. I'm very hungry. Bye.
In its entirety, it's taking place at the National Constitution Center in Philadelphia.
I think I could have been a little bit better with vlogging today, but I feel like you guys were able to see a lot of the behind the scenes. Thank God for Jen for getting some extra content. But it's 10:30. I just finished up work as well, and I'm probably going to go to bed soon. So we'll see you all tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. Today is Wednesday, September 11th. Of course, today is like a really important day in American history. Today is also two of my close friends' birthday, Miriam and Muskan. In the morning when I have my breakfast, I like to journal and then read the news. It's already around 8 a.m. and I have a couple of work tasks that I need to get done. I'll be in clinic today starting at like 9:45. Good morning, vlog, and happy Friday. Today is Friday, what's the date?
13th.
Oh, scary. Today's date is Friday, September 13th. Everybody make a little prayer and hope that everything goes okay today. That's scary. Anyways, I'm flying tonight. That's very scary to me. But tonight I'm going out to LA for a fun little weekend in SoCal with some of my friends. And I wanted to show the vlog kind of like a day in my life of what I do to prepare for a trip like over the weekend. I know this weekend is gonna be kind of full with like a lot of fun and fun activities, you know, you get what I'm saying. And usually before trips like this, I try to like prepare my body by like treating it very kindly. So first things first, it's currently almost 8 a.m. You can see on that clock right there. I'm gonna make a really delicious and amazing smoothie. I don't really know what to do for breakfast, so I might default to like a yogurt parfait. I just want something like yummy and fresh for my smoothie. So I think what I have in my fridge, I'm gonna do baby spinach, cucumber, pineapple, frozen pineapple for taste, and then I have like a couple of strawberries left. I've never put cucumber in a smoothie before. That looks good. I'm gonna top it off with almond milk. Usually I use coconut water, but I don't have coconut water, so I'm out of that too. Fair warning, my blender is very, very loud. We're gonna add blueberries for antioxidants. Blueberries are one of the greatest superfoods, and I love them. Okay guys, plug your ears. Horrible sound. It's, oh, interesting. Interesting. This is not that bad. Okay, now I'm gonna make a yogurt parfait. This is like my favorite granola, Greek yogurt. I think breakfast probably is my favorite meal. This is what it looks like right now. Yogurt parfait. Last thing is really important is honey. Because the Greek yogurt is not sweetened. I usually buy non-sweetened Greek yogurt whenever I do my weekly groceries because I also like having Greek yogurt in my salads. Yum! Last thing before I sit down and have my breakfast is I'm gonna make my coffee. I drink the same coffee literally every single morning. This is what it looks like. Because it's fall, I like to put cinnamon at the bottom of my coffee mug.
Right after this short word from our sponsor, we'll pray through today's prayer on a prayer to be an authentic Christian in a world where the mother went back to taking selfies as she ignored her daughter. Maybe not to this extent, but we've all chosen the phone in our hands over the people God has so kindly placed in front of us.
After I submit it, the Smart Planner will automatically grade the assessment and provide relevant comments or corrections. Hi, welcome to my bathroom. Something else that I'm doing today to take care of myself and in preparation for a weekend away is we are doing full body Friday. I actually pretty much do this every Friday anyways, but every Friday in terms of my workout, I try to do some sort of a full body workout. So like sometimes this is like running and lifting at my gym. Sometimes it's like running and Pilates, something like that. Today is gonna be a run and Pilates. So I'm gonna go on a quick jog, and then after the jog, I actually signed up for a hot Pilates class. And I'm trying to like time those back to back so that I can get like the most bang for my buck while also having some time to recover in between. Before I go though, I am gonna put in a coconut oil hair mask. This is something that I always love to do. I love to oil my hair before like a workout, especially if it's a workout that's gonna take like longer than 40 minutes. It gives plenty of time for the oil to like really soak into my hair and really nourish it. I've been finding that coconut oil has been doing wonders for my hair recently, so I'm gonna try to keep it up. And then this is also gonna be like my last hair mask because I plan on like straightening my hair this weekend and just like putting heat to it. So I wanna be a little gentle and take care of it before I go to LA. So I just have like this little tub of coconut oil. I like heated it up in the microwave for like 30 seconds. It really does not take very long to heat up. Coconut oil has a really low melting point, which means that it does not take that much heat to melt into liquid state.
Don't mind me.
But yes, anytime I do oil my hair before a workout, I am sure to double shampoo because otherwise it can build up on your scalp and then make your scalp really greasy, and that's not cute. And now I'm just gonna put my hair into a little updo. Okay, gonna go on a quick little run for the first half of Full Body Friday today. First workout is done. So I made the mistake of not stretching before I went. It's not a really long run, so I didn't think I had to stretch. But now like my shins kind of hurt and I'm like, I probably should have stretched before I left. So I'm gonna do like a quick 5-minute post-run stretch right now. I always watch the YouTuber Run Better with Ash. Run Better with Ash, that's his channel name. And I like religiously watch his videos. Oh, ouch. For a little snacky snack, a piece of toast with some fresh raspberry preserves. I don't know how healthy this is, but I think it's just like raspberry jam. Cheers. I'm gonna drive to hot yoga now, and it's such a beautiful day. I'm just showered now. It's so funny, my little t-shirt towel matches my tank top. It's 1 p.m. right now. I'm refilling my water bottle because I'm very, very thirsty. And then we're gonna make lunch. For lunch, I'm going to make my go-to favorite salad in the world. I literally just dropped this tub of Greek yogurt on the ground and the cap flew off and Greek yogurt got all over the place, but I cleaned it up. It's like, it got like on my legs, so I'm gonna have to wash my legs later. But this is what the salad looks like before mixing it. It is a bed of arugula with like some shredded cabbage, carrots, baby tomatoes down there, ground turkey, avocado, and then a dollop of sour cream. And then underneath there's like this barbecue dressing thing, and it's so good. This is my go-to salad. Still in the process of packing right now. I did go ahead and blow out my hair just so that it was dry. So yeah, we're packing. I have about an hour and 15 minutes until I need to leave for the airport. Okay, we are all packed. And I did my glam and my hair at home because I'm going straight from the airport to the Airbnb to drop off my stuff and change, and then meeting everybody like out, and I think they're gonna be probably at bars by the time I land. So I wanted to get ready at home, and I'll probably just like touch up whenever I land tonight. But with that, I'm going to end the vlog here because I get to go to LA now and see my friends, and I'm so excited to celebrate Muscan and to see everybody there. Thank you all so much for watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, check out other vlogs on my YouTube channel. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.